a unwritten rule in affiliate marketing. Would you recommend the product you're recommending to your mom or your very close friend? If the answer is no, then why recommend it to other people, right? So it's a good little rule test to run a product through to see if it's worth it to promote or not. Number two is it helpful to your audience? This seems like a no-brainer. For example, if you're writing a blog post on landscaping, then don't have an affiliate product in there. It has to do with finding your secret lover, because it's off, right? Unless it's has to do with landscaping, then it should fit naturally in there as well. Number three, okay, evaluate the sales page. This is a personal taste, but does it look cluttered? Does it look good? Do you feel good recommending that sales page to other people? That's another tip. Number four is check the commission rate, right? This is important. If you have two products, one is 1% and the other one is 50%, then obviously the 50% is going to be better. There's other things to look at, but it takes a lot of work to promote a product, so you want to get paid for it. It's only fair. All right. Next is the conversion rate. Yeah, this is super important. There's no point if you have the best product in the world and you drive traffic to it, it doesn't convert, then you're not going to make any money. Now, if you're a super duper affiliate, you can bypass this. I mean, if you have a great relationship with your audience, you can tell them just bypass. Trust me, it's a great product. They'll trust you and they'll buy it, even if the sales page sucks. If the product is really good, but we're trying to make our job as easy as possible. So that conversion rate number is very important. Okay, it really is. Next is the refund rate. Yeah, if a product is getting refunded up the wazoo, then maybe look for another product. That's super important. Next is the cookie duration. This is how we get paid as affiliate marketers. When someone clicks on a link, the cookies track to them, then we get credit for that sale. We get a percentage of it. And these cookie durations are all over the place. It could be 24 hours or it could be 6 months. So if the cookie duration is 24 hours and they click that link, they have to make the purchase within 24 hours for you to get credit. If they make the purchase within 2 or 3 days, then you don't get paid. So the longer the cookie duration, the more important it is. Okay. Also, how reputable is the seller or vendor, right? One way to find this out is you do a Google search. Search the name. If you have a bunch of stuff coming up of affiliates not getting paid, then right? Like, oh, I'm not sure if I should promote that one, right? So that's a good way to check it. High EPC, this is the granddaddy of methods, the earnings per click. On average, how much will you make when someone clicks on that link? It could be, say it's $1, right? Now this is the average, which means that some affiliates are going to make $1.50 and some affiliates make 50 cents. And there's ways to improve this as well for yourself. And one way is definitely with email marketing. If you know what you're doing with email marketing, you could kill it. But you have to know what you're doing, okay? All right. Also, how many have been sold, right? The more affiliate products that have been sold, the less risky it is. It's battle tested. All these numbers, the EPC, conversion rate, refund rates, are more accurate. If it's only sold like 5 or 10, those numbers you're like, it needs more testing done. But if it's sold 100,000, then the vendor, the creator has tweaked the product, tweaked the sales page, so it's more battle tested. Okay, that's what you want. So the more sales, the better. Less risky it is. And finally, test the product yourself. Yeah, I mean, by using the product, it's going to help you with the landing page. It's going to help you with conversions. It's going to help you with so many different things if that's possible, okay? All right, so this is a few tips on how to find great affiliate products to promote. And if you want more, I created a whole guide about, it has to do with blogging, 10 steps to creating a blog, as well as 20 benefits that blogging can give you that you may not have even thought about or know about. So there really is a lot. And I go over way more in depth as well as on how to pick these products in the blog. And if you want, it's free. If you want to check it out, just click on the link somewhere in this description. and I'll put down, somewhere in the video, and I'll put down in the description as well. All right, you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.